As people change the way they shop, the role of the retail store is changing too. People are shopping online, in stores, and a combination of both, posing new logistical challenges and technological hurdles for retailers. Retailers must transform to stay relevant. RAIN RFID is key to this digital transformation. Items tagged with wireless battery-free RAIN RFID tags can be accurately read without line of sight by handheld RAIN RFID readers at the point of sale and at transition points like a shop exit. In a retail store, taking inventory manually is labor-intensive and inaccurate. With solutions built on the Impinj platform, retailers can automate and streamline their inventory management, saving time, reducing costs, minimizing out of stocks, and helping stores sell down to the last item. And today, people want to be able to shop easily and seamlessly, wherever it is most convenient, whether that be in-store or online. Solutions built by our partners provide the real-time inventory visibility retailers need to confidently fulfill online orders from stores. Customers can buy online and pick up in the store or at the curb, or have items shipped directly to their homes. Shoppers are also demanding touchless automated self-checkout options, but automated self-checkout using barcodes creates long lines and frustrates customers. RAIN RFID readers at the point of sale can automatically read all tagged items within seconds and without manual scanning, cutting wait times and reducing labor costs. If an item leaves the store without being purchased, RAIN RFID readers at the exit can trigger alarms and detect exactly what went missing and when. With this precise data, retailers can make strategic decisions on preventing loss, replenishing stock, and maximizing profit. Together with our partners, Impinj is helping retailers improve efficiencies and increase revenues by giving them the tools they need to cut costs, meet customer demands, and keep up in today's ever-changing marketplace. See what's possible when every item is connected.